Welcome to the all-new ShareTheRide app. Today we'll be exploring the exciting features that are now available to ShareTheRide users. First, let's explore the user dashboard. The dashboard serves as a helpful directory for navigating to ShareTheRide's features. ShareTheRide users can discover the latest news and contest winners in the announcements section. They can also discover commuting options in the brand new Explore Options interface. After a user enters their itinerary, the app will recommend mode choices based on features such as savings, distance, and travel time. For each mode, users will see statistics about its savings versus driving alone, and whether that mode is eligible for rewards through ShareTheRide. Users can also filter their mode results based on a characteristic such as active commuting, speed, rewardability, and flexibility. When a user clicks into a mode, they are presented with a sample route. Users can expand the map to discover additional map layers. In this case, we will add layers for bike routes and bike shops. If a user decides that this mode is right for them, they can press the Open in Maps button, which will populate the route for turn-by-turn directions in the user's mapping app of choice. Users can also discover additional information about each mode and which rewards and contests that mode is eligible for. To view all rewards and contests, users can navigate back to the home page and visit the rewards section. Here, users will see any and all rewards and contests they are eligible for. They will also find Commute Perks, which is a brand new offer from ShareTheRide. Commute Perks is ShareTheRide's loyalty program. Logging just 5 days of alternative mode commuting each calendar month will give users access to hundreds of local deals and offers. When a user becomes qualified, they can search for options and select the best Commute Perks for them. In addition to the rewards area, users can also navigate to Commute Perks directly from the user dashboard. The achievements area is where users can find badges earned for completing activities on ShareTheRide. And beneath that is our challenge module, additional resources, and information about a user's personal commute impact. Next, let's explore how to log trips by pressing the Log button in the bottom navigation bar. To add a trip log, first select the mode of your commute. You can also add additional modes for shorter legs of the commute, but please be aware that additional modes do not count for contest trip log eligibility. Next, select the day or days of your commute. Select whether it was a round trip or single trip, your arrival and departure time, and your route. The route will auto-populate the distance, but if your distance varied, you can edit it. Hit Save to log your commute. From the activity log page, you can also select previous commutes to edit or delete them. Next, let's check out the trip recording feature, which is offered only through the ShareTheRide app. After pressing the record button in the bottom navigation bar, you will be taken to the recorded trip page. Here, you can select the mode that you are recording and hit the Start button to begin recording your trip via GPS. If you select Carpool, you can add riders to your commute by pressing the Add Riders button. Your carpool partners will scan the QR code, at which point they'll become managed riders. While it is not necessary for your carpool partners to have the app downloaded to access the QR code, they will need to have a ShareTheRide account in order to join your carpool. When you are done with your carpool, press the Stop button. When you hit the Save button, the commute will be added to your activity log. But please note that if you try saving a trip without actually traveling, it will not get added to your activity log. Now, let's discover the new Pools interface by pressing the Pools button in the bottom navigation bar. If you want to make your commute discoverable by other ShareTheRide users, you will need to create a post. In this interface, users will need to select a mode for their pool, their role in the pool, their route, their schedule, and potentially add additional notes to share their pooling preferences. Additionally, users can choose who to share their commute with. They can choose to share their commute with all ShareTheRide users or members of their networks. Now that we know how to create a post, let's check out the Search Pools function. The search function will populate your usual commute and show you pooling options for a user with similar routes to your own. You can filter for specific details such as pool type, carpool rule, and network visibility. If you find a good match, press on their commute to open the details page. Here you will find the message feature. Compose a message for your potential pooling partner and it will be sent to their email inbox from ShareTheRide. Last, a user can access profile and app settings via the Account button in the bottom navigation bar. On this page, users can also find the app FAQ, which tells users everything they need to know about the new app. Thank you for watching this tour of the new app. We hope you enjoy it. Now let's see what's new on the ShareTheRide website. The dashboard has been redesigned with a new background and new interface. You can view commute options and the Commute Perks widget from the Plan Trips tab. You can log your commutes on the Log Trips tab. You can even find a link to download the ShareTheRide app. You can also find the ShareTheRide app link by going to your Profile section and finding the Connected Apps page. Last, you can see Contests and More, including Commute Perks, on the Contests and More page. Now let's explore the Management dashboard. Select your network, and you'll be taken to the Network Statistics page. Here, you can see statistics about your network members' commuting habits. You can even change the date range filter. Every network has its own reporting section. The user report will show you information about your network users. You can even add new columns and filter those columns. All of our reports are exportable. The subnetwork report will show you any subnetworks beneath yours. The trip log report will show you all of the trip logs registered by your network members. And the trip plan report will show you the trip plans saved by your network members. You can even change the map settings. At the top, you can access the incentives report. This will show you information about any incentives or contests you are currently running or have run. In addition, there's a brand new point program report. This has a similar function but for the point programs in our system. Next, let's discover how to create an incentive or contest. Click the New Incentive button. Give your contest a name. Select your contest reward. Add a description so your users will know what the contest is about. Add a point of contact name. And a point of contact email. In eligibility, you can enable auto join in order to automatically join all of your network members into the incentive or contest. You can select your eligible network and your managing network. In the trip log eligibility, select the date range of your contest. The final trip log cutoff date is the last day users will be able to log trips for your contest. And the join cutoff date is the last day users will be able to join your contest. If you enable auto claim incentive, a user's status will automatically go to claimed upon completing the incentive. Add your criteria and select your eligible modes. If you do not need to tie in an additional workflow, leave the redemption option as basic and hit Create Incentive. You've now created an incentive. Now let's discover how to clone an incentive. Hit the Clone button next to Report. Change the title and remove the word clone. Update the trip log eligibility dates if necessary. And hit Create Incentive. Let's pick an incentive winner now. To pick an incentive winner, go to the Report section for that incentive or contest. Click the button that asks if you're running a raffle or drawing. Set the criteria to completed, select your number of winners, and hit the Generate Winners button. You can download the winner for posterity. Next, set the winner's status to rewarded, update the winner status, and it will automatically be saved in the system. Here's our winner.